Here goes Daddy. He's going to work. So you're 17 months old. Pretty old. And you just got back from your first international trip. Whoa there. Whoa there. And you're very quick. Book? Yeah, you can say book. You can read book. What else can you say? Can you say house? Can you say statue? Statue. She's like, there's no statue here. Can you say train? Oh, you're being shy today. Can you say bunny? Bunny. You can say bops. Bops. And Grandpa?
Baka.
Yeah, Baka, that's what we call Grandpa. And Granny and Grammy. She's kind of got a gra thing going on. Yeah.
Then?
And we're done.